Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use our zip code and radius tool. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign, delivery route, or service area, this video is for you. First, go to searchbug.com and create a free account. Once your account is ready, click on Lookups and select zip code in radius from the drop-down menu. Now, enter the starting zip code in the box provided. Then, choose your desired radius in miles. Click Search, and the tool will instantly generate a list of all zip codes within your specified radius. You'll also see the distance of each zip code from your starting point, including the city, state, county, population, and number of businesses. And that's it. The Searchbug zip code radius tool makes finding nearby zip codes easier than ever. And if this is your first time using Searchbug, don't forget, you'll receive 500 free search tokens on your first search token purchase. Also, your first search under $5 is free. Frequently asked questions about zip code in radius. 1. Can I use an address or coordinates instead of a zip code? No, the tool only supports searching using a zip code as your starting point. 2. What's the maximum or minimum radius I can search? You can search anywhere from 1 to 250 miles in radius. 3. How fast is it? The results appear in a matter of seconds, even for large radii. 4. How current is the data? Zip code data is updated monthly using verified USPS and GIS datasets. 5. Is there support or a way to suggest features? Yes, you can contact us via live chat, phone, or email. There are also written guides and tutorials available if you need help. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If you have any questions or video suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and helpful tips from Searchbug. Thank you for watching.